Hi there, Get Pool, Getaway Travel. Today on our YouTube channel, we're going to show you how to put all your clothes for 32 days on a cruise ship into one suitcase without getting them all crumpled up. So just come back after the introduction and watch what we got for you. This is Get Pool and Getaway Travel. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel as we try to bring you information to make your travel easier. Today we're talking about how to pack for your trip with the least amount of damage to your clothes. For years we have used packing cubes, as you see on QVC, because they're cheap, they're efficient, and they let you put your clothes in your suitcase without getting all jumbled up while it gets moved around by the airlines or the cruise lines. Let me show you how easy this is. We're getting ready to leave on a 32-day cruise. This is all of my clothes. Now, let me show you what we've got here. I got 4 packing cubes, and if you note, there's a little card on the top that shows me what's in there. Now, all I have to do once I've got these packed is I will just run over here to the suitcase, drop it in there. It's all arranged. It's not going anywhere. I'll take this one, and we'll do the same thing with that one. Come back over here. I get these 2 smaller ones. That goes in there. The other small one goes right there. Next goes the shoes. And I'll probably rearrange these when I get everything else in here. But then the shoes go in there. My toiletries will fit right on top of it. And then I'm ready to go. Now, when they stand the suitcase up, all the clothes won't slide to the bottom, and we're all used to having for that. So, packing cubes are going to be less than like $20 for a set of them, and we insist that you use them because we want your trip to be happy.